Okay guys, excuse the face and the echo, but here we are in my new place. I didn't pack any makeup last night in my overnight bag, so totally forgot about that. And so this morning when I went to get ready, I was like, oh, I don't have any makeup, it's all packed. So this is my new place, guys. When you walk in the front door, this is what you see. A big staircase leading up to the living room and the kitchen and the 2 bedrooms. I've got my office here, which I will give you a little tour of. But before that is the master bedroom. So I'm gonna give you guys a bit of an empty house tour. So let's go. So here is the master bed, guys. It's gonna be a little bit hard to show you guys. There's wardrobes on either side. One behind the door there. And then an original bathroom. So this place was built, I think about 20 years ago in the 90s. And then there's the toilet there. And then when we go back into the hallway, this is going to be the studio and office. Also guys, I apologize if I'm a little bit shakier than normal. I don't have my tripod stand, which I normally use when I film. I packed that as well, silly me. So we've got 2 balconies. We've got one here on the lower floor, which is a covered balcony. And we are next to some apartment blocks there, but I'm thinking that we might just put like a row of plants and then we don't even see them. Then we're gonna go up the stairs. And this cabinet here is going to be sold. The people that were here before us decided to leave us this cabinet, but I just think it's way too big for the space. Another balcony. This is an open balcony, so we might put a fire pit out here and a barbecue. This is the living space. It is small. It's going to be a little bit smaller than what I currently have, but I also have a studio downstairs, so and I'm puffed because I've been running around all day, all morning. This is the kitchen. It's a nice fresh kitchen, and she just installed a new oven because apparently it broke like the week before they were moving out. And then through this corridor we've got the master bathroom, which is just basic. There is a laundry attached as well, so we've got to put our machines there. And then on this side there's just a shower. And then there's 2 bedrooms, one there and then one here. And this is where my son will have his room. It's the smallest room in the house. But I think that will suit him. He's got a single bed. It's a loft style bed, so he'll still have extra room down the bottom. Okay guys, so that is the empty house tour. Not much to see, I know. It is a small place, but it is a 3 bedroom, so I am upgrading from what I currently am in, which is a 2 bedroom apartment. And I've also got 2 living spaces, so now I can have my studio at home downstairs, and then I can live upstairs and totally separate those spaces. I'm gonna get moving. I've got the removalist coming in about an hour, and we'll be cleaning out my mess of an apartment, and then we'll be bumping in here. So I hope the day goes well, guys. Wish me luck. It is the gloomiest day known to man, and today is the day I'm moving. So here is the day. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning and it is Fogorama. So this is the state of my place, guys. Can you see the amount of boxes? And I'm pretty much 99%. The boxes are all going down the hallway. My office, this place is an absolute mess. I cannot wait to have a bit more space.
Yesterday is gone like the tide, it's gone like the night. The stars in the sky and the sun is here to wash over you, to make you brand new, show you how to shine. And let's forget the things we can't change, the tears and the shame. We've so much to gain if our hearts beat for the here and the now. We'll make it somehow. What do you say? Look up to the sky and see the light. Feel the air in your lungs, it'll be alright. Every breath that you take means you're in the fight. Might it take you higher? Look out at the road, wonder where it goes. Feel the wind in your hair, grass in your toes. Let go of your cares, only you will know what sets your soul on fire. It's been too long, so pick yourself up and dust yourself off, 'cause you are enough. Oh, strike that match, you know what you need to burn and to bleed. Fall deeply in love, so just let go of all your old fear, and all you hold dear is what will remain. And soon you'll see the flames you run through, making you into who you're supposed to be. Look up to the
Guys, I'm in. What a mess. What a mess. Okay, it's been about 2 days. I have spent 2 days moving with removalists. It was probably the worst move of my life. I'm not gonna lie. I never ever want to do that again. I didn't realize how much stuff my business actually has, and because of that, it just made the move so much harder. You sort of saw, this is going to be my future studio. It is an absolute pigsty. I'm not going to go through every room, guys. I did give you an empty house tour, but you know, look at the state of my bedroom. There's just so many boxes, and I don't know how long I'm going to be living in the boxes for. I mean, I don't know how long I'm going to be living out of the boxes. So I didn't want to rush. I didn't want to stress myself out too much, because I've actually got to go back to my old place and clean that. But what I have done is I've labeled every single box, so I know what room it goes in, obviously for moving purposes, so that the removalists know which room to sort of dump the boxes, but also what's actually in each bag, so in each box. Most people don't do that because they just go, oh, we'll just put it in that room, we'll unpack it. But in the first week or so that you've actually moved in, you're not going to have time to unpack every single box. So I find that actually itemizing what's in each box is so much easier, so you can find exactly what you need. Like this morning, I needed my coffee machine, I needed my toaster, and I knew exactly what box that was in because I labeled it, you know. So it's going to be like this for a little bit of a while.
Yesterday is gone like the tide, it's gone like the night. The stars in the sky and the sun